Hey alto saxophones, thanks for tuning in again. Today, we're doing page number 14 in our Accent Book 1. On today's page, in the upper left-hand corner, is the word slur. Slur is two notes that are different, that are joined together in one breath, using the same air. Tongue only the first note and let the air connect you to the second. A dotted half note is up next in the blue box. A dotted half note receives 3 beats. And that's because a half note gets 2 beats, and a dot always gets half of what it's attached to. So because it's attached to a half note, that dot will get 1 beat. 2 plus 1 is 3. Divisi, in the red box, says that some players play the top notes while other players play the bottom notes. This is really important because it makes your band sound a lot fuller and richer. So anytime you see a divisi part in your music, make sure you're playing the notes different than your partner on your left and right. That way, every note will get covered. And finally, time signature, 3/4. When we get to 3/4 time, that means we're talking in groups of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Quarter notes still get 1 beat. Let's get started and play number 44, slurs and dots. Dotted half notes and slurs. Make sure you're slurring. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. Great. Next is the 3/4 duet. I'll play part A. You can join me, or if you're ready, you can play part B. 1, 2, 3. 1, ready, go. Now time for part B. 1, 2, 3. Ready, set, go. Now, if you're not warmed up yet, or if you've made a mistake in number 44 or 45, be sure to review them again. You'll be glad you did because you want to make progress, and you want to make sure you're doing your articulations correctly, slurs, tonguing, and your dotted notes. Next up is number 46, Southern Roses by Johann Strauss Jr. We're still in 3/4 time, and we've got a lot of dotted half notes to practice. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, go. Next up is one of my favorite songs on this page. It's a Mexican folk song called Mexican Jumping Beans. This is a variation on Chibañecas. This is in 3/4 time with a first and second ending and a divisi at the end. Notice the last two notes are divisi. I'm going to play the notes on the bottom. That will make it possible for you to play the notes on the top. Listen to how it sounds when we get to the second ending. 1, 2, and 3, and 1. Ready, and go. Those last two notes sounded really nice if you played the top part. Lastly is our accent on theory. Draw the correct bar lines, then play. Grab a pencil, and in the first part of 38, we've got half note, quarter note, draw a bar line there. That's 3 beats. Now find the next 3 beats and the next 3 beats and see if you can put in the rest of the bar lines. On the second half of that line, we're in 2/4 time. Quarter note, quarter rest, bar line. Find 2 more beats and draw the bar lines that will take you to the end of that line. Now, let's play both halves of line 48. Here's the 3/4. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, go. Rest. And now the second half. 1, 2, ready, go. And there you have it for page 14 of Accent Book 1. Now make sure those bar lines are correct and review any of the exercises that you'd like to make more progress on. Until I see you next time, keep practicing.